Is that what I think? Is it? It's on?
Yeah.
Oh, we recording live? Refugee Camp.
Let's get it. Episode 1. Oh, what? Episode 2 coming next week. Stay tuned.
Here we go, we're gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn.
What's the first topic of discussion today?
Ayo, take a lead.
That's SoundCloud.
Wow, bro.
Man, I don't know if y'all know, but my man Super Gabar be whipping in a bar. And he be motherfucking.
Hey, but today, we got SoundCloud.
Not SoundCloud.
SoundCloud of the day.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right.
Black bands, watch me swing that bitch both ways. Chasing money, I ain't slept in like 2 days. Same niggas every day, it's like gang. Yo, bitch say she love the way that my chains hang. I can't sleep, bitch, my phone, it be blowing up. Fuck the beef, I just laugh while I'm rolling up. Yo, bitch sick, yeah, my gang, she be throwing up. Hey, yo, be the gang, bitches pay me if they wanna fuck.
All you say is I like the beat.
Nah, I fuck with the beat.
He know he like the beat.
Yeah, the producer ain't getting his clout, bro. He already getting his clout up.
I fuck with the beat and the flow. The intro was crazy.
Right with the whole.
Let's be real, bro. The man who makes the beat is the one who makes the song.
The producer, yeah. The producer's a key.
You could be spitting bars, but if your shit trash on a beat, ain't nobody want to listen to that. I can't cruise to that.
You know how many rappers Metro gave lives? If Metro Boomin died, nigga.
Can we just talk about the city of Atlanta producers in general, nigga? They gave everybody the clout.
Yeah.
And on top of that, if these niggas was if you fucking garbage on rapping and you get a good beat, you a star. If you got good bars but you got trash beats, you in underground rap battles. You probably making no cheese, but you bar niggas out.
Big facts.
Putting the roasters on.
Playboy Cardi, the nicest rapper.
And C.
One of the Paul Busters went to Japan or something like that, and he's in the forest and he saw a dead body, and the person committed suicide. And this dude walked by it. This dude walked by and he just laughed.
Wait, did he record it?
What do you mean?
Yeah, he recorded it.
What? And he put it on video?
Yeah, bro.
Body?
Yeah, bro.
Like the body was already. Like
was it set up?
Nobody was around
That's
it?
what they're saying. And then I guess he tried to apologize about it after.
Did he put this on his page? Like,
he
did
put
he
it on
make
his
a video?
YouTube.
How many subscribers?
5 million views is what it got before he took it down. I know.
Yeah.
I know this is improper to ask. What is the color of his skin?
Logan Paul, he's white.
Come on,
He's
man.
white.
Okay.
What's the color of a school shooter?
So is he gonna be held in court?
Yeah, is that like an offense, bro? You think you could get jail
2
time for
words.
that?
White privilege.
Would you rather have no arms or no legs?
I need to beat my dick.
Wow. That's the top reason.
I say no arms.
Yeah, I'm saying. Nah, actually, I can't eat with my feet, bro. You could be in a wheelchair. I'm smooth with the wheelchair.
I can't hold girls' hands.
That's better because you ain't need to be.
You don't need to hold hands with babe,
Maybe
nigga.
you're holding hands for.
I'm trying to hold her hands.
Well, what?
Man. You're right. When I can hold her heart.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
This nigga was
Hey, young suavecito.
Next topic.
If I gave you a one-way ticket, you can't come back, bro. One-way ticket anywhere around the world for the F. Where are we going?
Oh damn! All right, then.
Think about that.
I'm going back to SoCal.
What the fuck, nigga? Anywhere around the cannot be in California. Cannot
This nigga's actually retarded.
You cannot be in the same state you reside in, bro. Anywhere
He's
in the
from
world.
SoCal. He want to go back to SoCal.
That's not even a flight. You can drive there.
You're right. Shit. Yeah, fuck it. Japan. Man,
It's the first time reaction.
I got curved at work, y'all.
Curve ball, Randy
You know,
Johnson.
it's his cashier. Her name's. We're gonna bleep that out. And so, gee, I walk up and I'm just like, I'm shooting my shot, and I don't care. I'm getting curved by
It don't matter.
the end. I go to break him like, oh, she cut right there. You know what I'm saying?
Tucked off. Fix the eyebrows.
So yeah, I go back to the service desk. You know what I'm saying? I'll check the eyebrows, check my nails, check out my necklace.
Okay.
Yeah. So I go down the elevator and I'm like, and then she was. And she looks back and then kind of starts laughing. I'm just like, okay. She's like, and she's like, oh my gosh, I didn't hear you say hi. And I was like, oh yeah, it was good. And then she's like, oh yeah, I'm about to get off. And then from there struck a little conversation, all that. And then I'm admit, I see this was kind of aggressive. I was like, so you got a boyfriend?
That's really funny.
Wait, let him finish. We're gonna say where he fucked up. There's a lot where he fucked up.
And once I said that, she was like, what she said? She's like, no, but I kind of like someone right now. And I was just, when I heard that, I'm just like, my nigga.
What does it have to do with monogamy?
Yeah, no, not you're sick.
So before we end this, we always leave on the quote of the day from the refugee camp. One of us is gonna write a quote on the fridge, and we're gonna read it out to you guys. So for this week, I wrote, express yourself, not impress others, and y'all niggas gotta do that shit.
Swag.
We out.
Hey, that was a good actually.
Bitch, look at my motherfucking neck. She see me in the traffic and she wrecked. Rapper niggas want some money, cause stretch.